the problems of the transgenders. Transgenders Bill or Act, Transgender Act 2019 has given rights to transgenders. Transgender Act 2019 has given certain rights to transgenders. The right even includes right to self identification of gender. Whether I am a boy or a girl, you cannot tell, I will tell. So far, society has created a binary gender identity, either male or female. And in law, this binary gender identity was included by British. So in the British legal system, gender identity is only binary, male or female. But Indian society worshipped transgenders. That is why even today transgenders will take money from you and they will bless you. In Ramayana, it is mentioned that Lord Ram has given power to the transgenders to bless others. But British came, they legalized binary gender identity. And we are continuing with that British legacy only. Now a new law has been made to end discrimination against transgender persons. They should not be discriminated in economics. They should not be discriminated in family. They should not be discriminated by the larger society. But whether it is really practiced. November 14, 2022, Maharashtra Administrative Tribunal, November 14, 2022, Maharashtra Administrative Tribunal directed the state government to process the application form of a transgender named Arya Pujari, a 23-year-old transgender. Transgender's application for the post of police constable will have to be taken up. It has to be accepted. It has to be processed. The Maharashtra Administrative Tribunal also has expressed its dissatisfaction with the state government, which is not showing any interest in inducting transgenders in government jobs. Supreme Court has given a direction to the central government. How many of you know the case that a transgender, Punnusamy, Shanavi Punnusamy, September 8, 2022, Supreme Court has given a direction to the central government in this case called as Shanavi Punnusamy case. How many of you are aware of this case? It came in the month of September 2022. In this case, Shanavi Punnusamy wanted a job in Air India as a cabin crew. Air India rejected her. She went to the court. And court has given direction to the central government. Consult the National Council for Transgender Persons. Come out with a policy. Come out with a policy of how to recruit transgenders in the various levels of government. Right? So, the Supreme Court is more about the rights of the transgender person, which was also reflected in this case. Everybody know NALSA judgment that transgender is the third gender. Transgender is the third gender. What is the number of transgenders present in India? One estimation says roughly 50 lakh people are transgenders in India. But if you go to cross check with the official data in the form of census 2011, they have given only 4.8 lakh transgenders. It is 10 times more, really. Why then these people are not getting included as transgender? Because they are not revealing their transgender identity, fearing discrimination, fearing stigmatization. How many transgenders people wanted to vote in the election? Only 30,000 transgenders have registered as voter in the Election Commission of India. 50 lakh. 50 lakh transgenders are there. Official data says 4.8 lakh. How many have, how many have registered with Election Commission? Only 30,000. The first ever survey of transgenders conducted by National Human Rights Commission. How many of you read that report of the National Human Rights Commission, which came out with recently, the first ever survey on transgenders? The first ever survey on transgenders by National Human Rights Commission says 96% of the transgenders are denied jobs. 96% of the transgenders are denied jobs. You should appreciate Tamil Nadu, Bihar, as well as Karnataka, because these states are having a policy to induct transgenders in the government jobs. But not many states are willing. Despite of the act, there was a question in the past, I think 2 years back, there was a question in sociology about transgender. Sociology of transgender was a question. Is it mentioned in any portion of syllabus? Anywhere it is mentioned, transgender? No. Purely they are lifting from current affairs. That is why this class becomes important.